Hey guys, so in this video I'll compare the specs of the Blackview Xplore 1 with that of the Doogee S200 Max. Both rugged phones are announced by their respective brands. They are not available yet, but they are expected to launch in August. But anyways, these two rugged phones are 5G rugged phones with rear display and some nice specs and features, and we'll be comparing the specs of both devices in this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications to get the latest tech updates and news. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So there you have it guys, the Blackview Xplore 1 versus the Doogee S200 Max. Which of the two devices is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.